What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been quite some time since I've done anything to my car. Just haven't really been feeling it, to be honest. But, whatever. This is gonna be a small mod. What we're gonna be doing is replacing the shift knob on my automatic Genesis Coupe. Go ahead, all the hate comments. Oh, you drive an automatic, you're not cool, whatever. So we're gonna be replacing the automatic shift knob here with this rear likewise shift knob here. And with this on the Genesis Coupe, I have the Disco Biscuit, I'm pretty sure they call it. The Disco Biscuit attachment that allows it to adapt onto here. And then along with that, if I can find it, I got the eBay special Hyundai Genesis Coupe leather shift boot. It's gonna go over this, you know, but we're gonna have to take off the automatic shifting pattern. So in order to do that, you have to take this apart. I don't think it's too difficult. I think the most tedious part is going to be having to either staple or glue this in place. So the first thing we're gonna do here, take this off, is I want to take off the shift knob first. Something light. And now with this here, you should be careful with this, more careful than I'm gonna be. If you have like a butter knife or something like that, use that, because this is a little bit thick. But oh, I just scratched the hell out of my wrap again. I really don't want to get something else. You really should get another screwdriver here. But a little dime pro tip to hold the place.
I was about to say, is that a PPT? Penny pro tip? But no, it's a dime pro tip. Oh, there you go.
Some light. Alright. That's a lot easier than I made it look. I'm failing with my hands today. So once that's up, this piece should come off. This is carbon fiber wrapped. And now with this piece here, there is...
Did you breathe that in, or did you breathe out there?
I tried breathing out. I don't know what happened. Now there's a black clip right here. I don't know if you can zoom in on that, Ant.
Sure.
A clip right there. You put your screwdriver in right underneath, and then there's the same thing on this side. All right. Now don't just yank this off, because the wire that lights up these johns here are still plugged in. So very carefully, it's on this side. Very easy, just like that. See this guy here? Pull that out. The actual place is right here, so just pull it towards you if you're sitting on the driver's side. Very simple. This piece here will not be going back in. This right here is way past German technology. Just look at this.
This is a 2012. My
BMW what?
My 2007 E90, yeah?
Alright. So now we're gonna jump inside, because now with this, and I hit my thing, I gotta put it in here. And get you guys inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, now that we're inside, the first method I'm gonna try to hold this in here is I'm gonna be using double-sided tape. And what I did here, I don't know how well you guys could see this. That first layer is black, as you guys can tell. It's because I used a Sharpie. And the reasoning why for that is because when I put it all along here, on your Genesis Coupe, it's probably silver. I painted this black like a year ago or so. So I'm gonna be putting the 3M tape all along this, but having where I colored black facing up. So right here, so you don't really notice the 3M tape, I'm hoping, going all the way along these sides here. Alright guys, so quick update. As you guys can see here, I have the double-sided tape all along the inside here. And also what I did was I cut the tape right down the middle, because this is pretty wide tape. I think this is 1 inch, I believe. So these are cut pretty much right down the middle, so about 1/2 inch. Have it sticking down probably 1/16 of an inch all the way around on all 4 sides. It's not perfect, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel one side at a time and stick one side at a time. So this side then this and this and this, or whatever pattern I decide to do, but stick one side at a time and see how this goes.
Alright guys, we're back in the car. The tape seems to be holding. I'm sure you guys could do a better job than me. I kind of did this kind of cheaply. I'm not too happy about my work. It's not really holding too well in like the corner. So if you guys want to do this, maybe do it in one big section so there's no like force or not force, pull on the tape, because in the corner here, I don't know if you can zoom in, it's kind of pulling on it a little bit. But if you guys do a better tape job, I'm sure it'll stay, because besides that, in spots where the tape's not being pulled, it's staying really, really well. So if you guys do a better tape job, it should stay. Throwing back in this, I'm gonna tuck this just like out of the way. Or can I put it in here? Yeah. Put your boot back on. Now it's just a point of getting that. Okay, that should snap back in, just like that. There you go. Okay, that's in. Alrighty, now pull that down. Put this on first. Cool. Put this guy right on. I'm gonna try and line these up like that, and then you want to spin them at the same time if you could. And what size was that? 5/8. 5/8. I don't want to make it too tight, but at the same time, like that. You may have to play with it a little bit depending on your shift boot. So now you pop this John on. See, like, that's tight, and the wheel likewise. Logo isn't straight. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, that's straight. Let me get up to a better view. Okay. Like that, like that's tight. So what I have to do, take this back off and either tighten this way all the way around again, or just loosen it a little bit, and trial and error, boys. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. The tape isn't staying so much in this corner because I didn't do too great of a job, but if you guys don't want to use the tape, you can also glue it from the inside. I may do that depending on if this stays or not. Besides this one corner and maybe a little bit here, the tape is staying pretty well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. It was kind of quick, kind of like iffy, whatever. If you guys got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If not, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.